So we're going to look at the topic, division involving a whole number and a fraction. So the steps are the same every time. We keep the first piece of the division alone, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction or take the reciprocal. So in essence, we're multiplying by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 2 can be written as 2 over 1 times the reciprocal, which is 6 over 5. So we're not doing anything to the first part. We don't flip the first part ever. We only flip the second part. So now we flip, multiply straight across, and we're left with 12 over 5. And we would reduce this fraction if we could, but this can't be reduced any further because we have no common factor. This time the whole number is the second part, which is okay. We can still flip that if we remember that 9 is the same thing as 9 over 1. So it's going to be 7 over 6 times, when we flip 9 over 1, or we take the reciprocal, we get 1 over 9. And we multiply straight across, and that gives us 7 over 54. Once again, this can't be simplified, so we are done with that problem. And finally, keep, change, flip. We have 4, same thing as 4 over 1. Just to remind ourselves, we can put that there. And finally, we keep the first fraction the same, switch to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. We're only flipping the second fraction. It has nothing to do with the whole number or the fraction part. We're only flipping the second fraction every time. And then we multiply straight across. We get 6 over 28. This time we do have a common factor. 2 goes into both of these, so we can simplify that by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 2, which gives us 3 over 14 for our final answer.